So hello there, it's Allison here from Simple FS Academy. I wanted to show you guys how I got 60% discount on TradingView. It was really simple. So I've been a member of TradingView now for almost 3 years. I've upgraded to pro membership about a couple of weeks ago, but I needed a bit more from TradingView. It's an amazing charting platform. There's no two ways about that. So this video is not about the qualities or the features of TradingView. You all know that, but how do you get a 60% discount? Just ask. This is exactly what I did. It was May 21st 2020, a couple of days ago, that I sent this. I opened up a support ticket from the help center. You can get that if you get to your premium membership zone. That's not even that. If you go onto your profile, I think it's a place you can get help from it. Let's have a look and see. Where is it? Where is 1 second? If you come down here, this button here, you go to help center, and then you can open a support ticket. All right. So I opened one, and I just asked for a discount. So I've already closed the ticket because I was very happy with the service. So I just wrote them and said, "Hello, I would like to upgrade to premium membership. Please, do you have a 60% discount code that I can use? I don't want to wait till Black Friday before upgrading. Lol." Also, as I'm already a pro member, what happens to my outstanding subscription? Thank you. And honestly, it wasn't even like half an hour. This chap replied and said, "Thank you for contacting us, that he has just added a link to my account and billing tab on the profile page of my account, through which I can purchase annual premium at 60% discount compared to monthly payments. The price I paid was $287 only. This link will remain active for 5 days, blah blah blah." And then so that was how I got 60% discount on TradingView premium membership. Okay, I'm very excited about it. So that is real results. So it's really simple. On your profile page, go to help center, open a support ticket, ask for premium membership at a discount, and they are going to give it to you, so you don't have to pay a lot of money. Guys, if you want to do this, I have a link. If you're new to TradingView, I have a link below this video. You can register. They will pay me a small commission. It's not going to affect you in any way, but if you want to help my channel, it's going to really help. I thought I share this very useful tip with you guys. So guys, as you know, I'm a trader. You can follow my trading ideas, which I publish here. I've also got a Telegram channel you can use to follow my trades, and we're doing really well. We got over 800 pips last week. All these results are in my Telegram channel if you want to have a look. So it's Allison here. Thank you for watching. A quick video to tell you how you're going to get 60% TradingView discount without even breaking a sweat. Just ask and it shall be given unto you. Okay, so also talked about my Telegram channel, and also if you wanted to help this channel as well, you want to get your TradingView from my referral link below this video, that will be awesome. Okay, so it's Allison. Thank you for watching, and I hope you get a nice 60% discount like I have. Take care, God bless, and safe trading to you all.